Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can see or change your birth date on Gmail account. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So if you want to see or even just make some changes on your birth details on your Gmail account, it's pretty simple. Just go ahead and follow these steps. In the first method, go ahead and log into your account. And once you're logged in, head over to your account up here and then choose the account you wish to see or change your birth details and click on manage here on that email. And here we are on the Google account. We have here a side menu. Go ahead and select personal info. So if you click on personal info, you'll be taken to this list where we have quite a number of details concerning your account. For my case, I'm interested in birthday and it is here. So I want to change this. And to do this, I'll just go ahead and click on birthday. From here, go ahead and click on your birthday details here. And now we can update our birthday information. Here you can change the month, the day, or even the year. So if you want to change the month, go ahead and click on it and choose your preferred month, the same to date here, as well as the year. So I can go ahead and make some changes to the year like that, and then save the changes, and you'll get this prompt. Now I'm told you are 26-year-old. Is that correct? Go ahead and now confirm, and the details will be updated accordingly. So that's how you can change your birth details or your birth date on your Google account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.